If you want to add 2 images in Photopea without changing your canvas size, this method is the easiest and safest way to do it. It is perfect when you already have a project open and you just want to bring in 2 separate images as layers inside the same document. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it quickly even if you are a complete beginner. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photopea tutorials just like this. First, open Photopea in your browser and either create a new document or open an existing one. If you already have a design, a thumbnail, or any project file open, you can keep working inside that same canvas. That is one of the biggest advantages of this method because your canvas size stays exactly the same while you add your images as separate layers. To begin, go up to the top menu and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open and Place. This option is very useful because it places your image into the current project instead of opening it as a completely separate file. Once you click Open and Place, Photopea will open your file browser. Now select your first image from your computer and click Open. As soon as you do that, Photopea will import the image into your project as a new layer. You may see transform handles around the image, which means you can resize or reposition it before confirming. If needed, drag the corners to scale it properly, then press Enter on your keyboard to place it. Now comes the second image. Go back to File, then click Open and Place again. This time, choose your second image file and click Open. Just like before, Photopea will add it into the same document as another layer. You can move it, resize it, and position it wherever you want inside your canvas. At this point, both of your images are inside the same Photopea project. You can use the Move tool to drag them into place or adjust their size if one image is too large or too small. Since each image is on its own layer, you can freely edit them independently, which gives you a lot more control over your design. If you want to check your layer order, look at the Layers panel on the right side. The image on the top layer will appear in front of the image below it. If one image is covering the other and you want to change that, simply drag the layer up or down in the Layers panel until it is in the position you want. You can also use this same method if you want to combine product photos, make collages, create thumbnails, or build simple graphic layouts. Because Open and Place keeps your current canvas size, it is one of the best ways to insert multiple images without messing up your document dimensions. A quick tip, after placing each image, always make sure it fits your design properly before moving on. That way, you avoid having to go back and fix alignment later. And if you ever want to add more images, you can simply repeat the same File 9 Open and Place process as many times as you need. So just remember the simple workflow: open or create your document, go to File, choose Open and Place, select your first image, confirm it, then repeat the process for the second image. That is all it takes to add 2 images in Photopea while keeping your project canvas exactly the same. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.